Hello, today we're going to be making a lava lamp inside of a water bottle. So first you need to make sure you have all your materials. Water bottle with a lid, oil, Alka-Seltzer tablets, liquid food coloring, and water. The first step is to make sure you put oil in the bottle about 3/4 of the way full. And I have a paper towel underneath mine so that while I'm pouring in my oil, if I spill any, it won't get everywhere. Next, we're going to take the water and fill it almost to the rim, but not quite, just mostly full.
If you're using gel food coloring, go ahead and put that into the water right before you put it into the bottle.
Right about there. Next, we're going to put in some food coloring. We're going to put in about 10 drops so that we have a nice dark color inside of here.
Again, for easiness sake, place the gel food coloring into the water before you place that into the bottle. Also, you can use a butter knife to help mix the gel food coloring into the water really well. I would recommend using like a little bit because a little gel food coloring goes a long way.
Next, we're going to take one of the Alka-Seltzer tablets and split it into 4 pieces. So break it in half, and break each of those halves in half. And then we're going to take our first piece and drop it in. And then as you can see in the bottom of mine, the purple is starting to go crazy, it's starting to make some bubbles. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and add your second piece.
As you can see, these bubbles are starting to form, and that is because the Alka-Seltzer reacts with water to form carbon dioxide, which is rising to the top because it's the least dense in the system.
Mine's getting nice and fizzy. I'm going to go ahead and drop in my third piece. Starting to look really weird. And finally, we're going to drop in our fourth chunk. Now we're going to wait until all of this crazy fizzing has settled down, which might take a minute, so just go ahead and watch it. And as you can see, mine's fizzing up a little bit over the rim, so that's normal. It's all good. Just let it do its thing.
There are a few different ways you could add twists on this. You could angle lights and it could definitely look much more like a lava lamp than it right now looks. Or you could use cold water, which would slow down the reaction, so you would have a very slow fizzing effect. Or you could heat up the water, which would speed up the reaction. You would have this rapid fizzing effect when you added the Alka-Seltzer.
Alright, mine has pretty much stopped fizzing, so I'm going to go ahead and take my water bottle lid and screw it on the top. Now I'm going to gently turn it from side to side. Get it all mixed up and all funky looking. Oh, almost dropped it. And now, if you look, there's a whole bunch of different shapes, mostly circles and ovals. Because the water and oil don't combine, so they stay in kind of that lava lamp looking combination. If you look, no matter how many times you twist it, there's still going to be that giant blob of color just because the water doesn't want to combine with the oil. If you look really close, there's all these tiny ones. Have a great day!